Thailand's constitutional court has ousted suspended Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra for ethical misconduct. And this makes her the fifth Thai leader since 2008 to be stripped of office by the judiciary. The 39-year-old was found guilty over a controversial phone call with Cambodia's former leader Hun Sen, during which Paetongtarn Shinawatra allegedly prioritized personal interests over her national duty. In the leaked conversation later, Paetongtarn called Hun Sen quote-unquote uncle, which, criticizing a senior Thai army leader, raised questions about her integrity. And the ruling, it comes after her suspension of the 1st of July and follows a border clash with Cambodia that killed dozens and displaced thousands, eventually ending with a Malaysia-brokered ceasefire on the 29th of July. And this is the second of the 3 court cases involving Paetongtarn and her father, former Prime Minister Thaksin Shinawatra. And just last week, Thaksin was cleared of insulting Thailand's monarchy, but still faces another case over his hospital stay instead of prison in 2023 during a reduced corruption sentence.
Thailand's Constitutional Court dismissed Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra from office on Friday for an ethics violation after only a year in power. It's another crushing blow to the Shinawatra political dynasty and could usher in a new period of turmoil. The court said Paetongtarn violated ethics in a leaked June telephone call, which she appeared to kowtow to Cambodia's former leader Hun Sen. Both countries were at the brink of an armed border conflict. Fighting erupted weeks later and lasted 5 days. The 39-year-old has apologized and said she was trying to avert a war. The court said she put her private interests ahead of the nation's and damaged the reputation of the country, causing a loss of public confidence. The country's youngest ever premier accepted the verdict.
The most important thing that I have been adhering to all along was the safeguarding of the lives of people, whether soldiers or civilians. I was determined in doing all I can to protect their lives before the violent clashes on the 24th of July. I would like to reiterate this again because this is what I want to communicate.
The decision paves the way for a drawn-out election of a new Prime Minister. Paetongtarn's ruling Pheu party has lost bargaining power and faces a challenge to shore up a fragile alliance with a razor-thin majority. The ruling brings a premature end to the premiership of the daughter and protege of influential tycoon Thaksin Shinawatra. She was thrust abruptly with little experience into the spotlight after the surprise dismissal of her predecessor by the same court a year ago. She becomes the 6th premier from or backed by the billionaire Shinawatra family to be removed by the military or judiciary in a 2-decade battle for power. The ruling launches Thailand into more political uncertainty at a time of simmering public unease over stalled reforms and a stuttering economy.